Hi there students. Okay, in this video I want to look at the words homonym, heteronym, homophone, heterophone, heterograph and homograph. And personally I always have difficulties with exactly what each of these means. So let's just look at the prefixes to start with. Homo, the same. Hetero, different. Homo, the same. Hetero, different. Okay, and then phone, sound. Yeah, phone, sound. And graph, written, graphology, graph written. And then nym. This nym one I'm a little less sure about. It's effectively with name. Okay, let's look at these though. So, homonyms. A homonym are words with the same sound, the same spelling, but different meanings. So, for example, tip. You can have the tip of your finger, or you leave a tip in a restaurant. Or could you give me a few tips as to how to do this? Ground. Okay, would you like some ground coffee? My feet are on the ground. Sanction. To give permission. I sanction your action. Or to sanction, to punish, to fine, to give a penalty to. Okay, so these are homonyms. Same sound, same spelling, but two or more different meanings. Okay, heteronyms, which are also called homographs. Okay, so different sounds, same spelling, different meaning. Okay, so the sound is different, but the spelling is the same, and the meaning is different. So, frequent or frequent. So, he makes frequent visits. He does this with a frequency. This is a pub that he frequents, to habitually go to a place. Produce or produce. To produce means to make, whereas produce farm products, vegetables and dairy products. Minute. I'll be with you in a minute. This is absolutely minute. It's incredibly small. There were 3 ducks in a row, 1, 2, 3 in a line. But the couple had a terrible row, an argument. Okay, so heteronyms. Different sound, same spelling, different meaning. Okay, homophones or heterographs, same sound, different spelling. Yeah, so they have the same sound but different spellings and different meanings. So for example, poor, I don't have much money. Would you pour me a glass of beer? A paw. A dog has 4 paws. Pore. There are little holes in your skin called pores. Court. Court. I caught the ball. The lawyer went to court. Two. Okay, so two in the direction of, and two as well. Okay, so these are homophones, same sound, and heterographs, different spellings. Okay, heterophones, different sound, same spelling, same meaning. Notice the word homograph is here because the words are written the same, like the homographs here. Yeah, they have they're written the same, but in this case for the heteronym the meaning is different. In this case the meaning is the same. So do you say often or do you say often? Well, I often say often and I often say often. Schedule or schedule. Well, I normally say schedule, but I sometimes say schedule. Neither. Is it neither or neither? Well, both are perfectly acceptable. Okay? So, different sounds, neither or neither, same spelling, and the same meaning. Okay? So, that's the difference between these. Homonyms. Same sound, same spelling, different meanings. Heteronym. Different sounds, same spelling, different meanings. These are also homographs like later because they are written the same. And homophone. Same sound, different spelling, different meaning. Okay? Pore, 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 pore. They're written the same, but they're written differently, but they sound exactly the same. And then heterophone. The sound is different, but homophone, the spelling is the same. So, often or often, schedule or schedule. So there we go. I would be interested if you could give me some examples of these. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, homonyms, heteronyms, homophones, heterographs, heterophones or homographs as well. So enough. Bye for now.